When it comes to setting direction in UX, three terms often float around: UX goals, OKRs, and KPIs. First, UX goals. These are qualitative aspirations that define success for the user experience. For example, ensure the omnichannel journey is intuitive and engaging. Think of high-level UX goals as defining the big picture for your user experience. Drawing inspiration from company visions and missions, UX goals set ambitious targets. Next, OKRs, or objectives and key results for UX. Objectives are actionable, qualitative goals, much like UX goals, but think slightly smaller in scope and more specifically actionable than your high-level goals. Key results are quantitative and help measure if the objective has been met. For example, ensuring the omnichannel journey is intuitive and engaging. A corresponding objective to this higher level goal could be to increase user engagement on a mobile application, with key results of achieving a 15% increase in monthly active users in Q4. Finally, KPIs, or key performance indicators. These are specific metrics that are tracked over time to measure UX progress and performance. A relevant KPI could be a 40% customer journey completion rate across channels this year, compared to a 25% rate last year. Think of KPIs as a pulse check. They let you know how you're doing in real time. To summarize, UX goals are your qualitative aspirations. OKRs for UX set your actionable objectives and measure them with quantitative results. KPIs are the UX metrics you consistently monitor to see how you're doing. Together, they provide a measurable view of the user experience and its performance.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at this over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, angroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live hands-on UX training.